Today we're going to pick some zucchini, Swiss chard, and beans. Come and join me. So in my previous video, you see me that I hand pollinated all the zucchini, and so this is the result. So I just harvested these beans last week, and now there's still more. Look at this! Bigger than my face! So I guess I have some dinner to prepare for tonight. So the Swiss chard is the easiest greens to grow. The more you harvest it, the more that you're gonna get more greens. Zucchini, as soon as the weather gets warm, plant your seeds. For sure, you're gonna get some harvest. Same with beans. It's our favorite. Very easy to grow. My name is Rica, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe!